we have a two different firewall is here. We can pick the firewall and place it, and we make a set of net security environment, and we check the network security. After that, we implement that same configuration in real time. And if you want to make some cloud-based environment, that simulation is also here. You see, so this is for cloud-based simulation. And likewise, we have end devices are there, and I want to use some PC. I can pick a PC here. I want to choose some laptop. I can choose some laptop. I want to use some server in a real time. I can choose a server. I want to use some mobile phone. I have a mobile phone. So all those things are available. And you see, I have some board, MCP board, and I want to show some other thing. Network in end devices. If you go for smart guzzles, I said if I want to set up Alexa, I have some smart devices also there. I have some smart fan. So if I simply click on fan, I want to check whether the fan is connected with my Alexa device. So that thing I can confirm by my simulation. After that, I can go with some real-time environment. I can do this. So all those things are available. I can make some smart city. For smart city, I have some inbuilt tools are there, and smart industrial setup and smart power grid. Everything, all the tools are available in predefined in Packet Tracer. If you want to include some more tools also, that beneficiary is also provided. You see, here we have an option is miscellaneous. Using this miscellaneous, we can include some more tools into as plugins of our Packet Tracer. So I just show you very simple topology how we can make with the Packet Tracer. Suppose, for example, I want to create one simple LAN setup for my working environment. Before that, I want to confirm whether the LAN setup is working fine or not. So how would I check that thing is by using the simulation tool. I will choose some two networking devices, two end devices. So I pick two PC. So remaining all the things I delete. So at present, what my intention is, I want to create one LAN setup. Okay. So for making a LAN setup, I need to choose any two PCs now. And I want to connect this two PC through some network medium. So for network medium, I take switch is my network medium. So how would I connect this two PC with the network medium is? For that, I need some cable. So the cable is this lightning symbol. I click on this cable. So I have a different variety of cable is there. If you know the exact cable between your device and the switch, we can choose that cable. So we have a copper straight through cable, we have a crossover cable, we have a serial cable, lot of cables are there. If you know the exact cable, we can choose the exact cable. If you're not having any idea about a cable, we can click on default cable. So this is a default cable option. If you click on this default cable, the cable will come like this. The cursor will change like this. I click on PC and I extend the cable to my switch and I leave it. So that the connection will be established. And if you know the exact cable, and the exact cable between the PC to switch is copper straight through wire cable, I click on this exact cable. If you click on the exact cable, then I click on a PC, you see, it asks you which port you want to connect. So a PC is usually is having a 4 port. The 2 port is for USB and 1 port for RS-232 connection and 1 for fast Ethernet. We use fast Ethernet cable port, and that port should be connected to the switch. And switch is having 4 fast Ethernet port, and 1 port was already used by PC0, and we use the another port. If you click on default cable, no matter of a port, it choose a port randomly. If you know the dedicated wire, we need to choose the port. So this is a way we make a LAN connection. So this is a way we make a physical setup of a LAN. And if you check how the LAN connection is existed by using packet transmission, we need to check. So this is a packet we are having in this Packet Tracer. Before that, we need to know the output screen. So this is the output screen of this Packet Tracer. So I just click on the packet. I want to send the packet from this PC to this PC with this network medium, but yet I didn't configure the complete network. I simply check. I click this packet from this PC0 to PC1. You see, there is no functional port, which indicates we didn't configure this. So we need to configure this. So that idea we are supposed to do. And for configuration, what we need to do is we need to decide the IP address for this network. Suppose I decide the IP address for this network is some class C. I just consider 192.168 1.0. This is a series I plan to assign for this LAN network. So then according to this series, I need to configure. So what I need to do is I just click on PC0. Okay, packet tracer is again having some problem in my system. Okay, guys, I think time is also running out, and my packet tracer is also having some issue. Madam Sumati ma'am, do we have a time or what shall we do?
Sir, you can proceed, sir. No problem.
Okay. I don't know. Some of my library packet tracer library file was missing, ma'am. That's what is happening. Okay, this is a thing we planned. This is a LAN setup we planned actually, but it was not configured. It was not logically configured. So if we want to logically configure, we need to decide the IP address for this network. By myself, my idea is I want to give IP address for this logical network is class C. So I given like this. So after that, what I need to do is according to this logical IP address, I need to configure every PC. So how do I configure it? Simply click on a PC. Okay, so it automatically closing. Sumati ma'am, I think my packet tracer I need to uninstall and again I need to install it.
Okay, sir. No problem, sir.
Sir, it's
No
okay, sir.
problem.
If you have manual, you can share with the students.
Okay, I don't have a manual. I can explain by orally. So the thing is, we need to configure the PCs. So how do we configure this? Simply, if you double click on the PC, and there we get different tabs. In that, there is one tab is desktop, and if you click on the desktop, there is one option will come IP configuration. So if you click on the IP configuration, there it asks you what is an IP address of the PC. So there we need to give IP address for the PC with the same series what we are decided. So we decided the class C series 192. So we have to pass the same series to the PC like 192.168.1.1. I assign for first PC. The same thing I will do for second PC with another sequence number 1.2 I will give. So once I give that setup, then the connection will be established. So after that, if you try to share the packet from one PC to another PC with that network, that the packet will be transferred without any issues. So this is the idea for making very basic topology in the packet. So by using this structure, we can extend the complete idea. We can make a very huge topologies and we can make a lot of topology. We can connect multiple topology with some common routers also we can do. And we can promote the security among those topology with help of a firewall also. And we can make some wireless topology and we can configure that wireless and wired topology. All the things we can do with help of only the configuration procedure. And configuration we can do in a two manner. One is either by simply click on the icon, we pass the IP address by ourselves. Otherwise, if you know the code, we can pass as a command line code. If you are work with the Unix environment, we are supposed to run with the command line environment. So at that case, we need to pass all the IP address in the command mode. So that also if possible, if I get another option to explain packet tracer in detail, actually it was not working in my machine also. I need to uninstall it again and need to install it. So if I get another chance to explain all those things, I will explain detailedly about how to create a very huge topology in the packet tracer and how to do the configurations completely. And right now you got some fundamental idea about a packet tracer. I hope you got it. Yes, ma'am. Is it fine?
Students, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Students, any queries? Sir, Ayyappa sir, do you have any manual for this, sir?
Ma'am, I don't have a manual. If you want, I am supposed to create it.
Okay, sir. If possible, you can share this, sir, to us.
Yes.
That will be very much helpful for our students.
Sure, ma'am, sure.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay.
You are giving wonderful session for our students. And first you gave the basic idea about the computer network and different topologies. After that, you gave a very good hands-on session for this Cisco packet tracer tool. And I hope students will watch this Cisco tutorial videos as well as your ideas to create their own network. And your class was really fantastic, sir. Really fantastic. I hope students will make use of it. And
Sivaku ఎవరు వస్తున్నారు జావాకి
some noise is coming continuously.
Okay.
కాదు
Bhargavi, Bhargavi, please mute your mic, ma.
సివోకే జావాకి ఎవరు వస్తున్నారు
Who is Bhargavi?
జావా చెప్తారు సామి సచ్చరి గోర్లో ఫెయిల్ అయ్యి సార్ అందరూ ఆయనకు రా సామి
Sir, they are continuously speaking with us, sir. Okay. Yeah.
మనం చదివే దాంట్లో
I'll take-
ఉంటాడు అనేది కాదు
Sir, this is
To
Manoj.
give the vote of thanks,
Yes.
first I would like to thank our management and principal, sir, for their support and always encouraging us to do such a wonderful webinars. And I would like to thank our faculty friends, those who support technically to make this webinar success. And I would like to thank the participants from our college and other college to make the program success. And finally, I extend my sincere thanks to Rotary Club of Global Scholar Advisor, Dr. G. Tulkapiyarsu sir, and President Dr. M. Vinod Kumar sir, and our beloved Treasurer Dr. M. Shembeguli madam for their support and always help us to do such a great webinars. And I want to say one thing here. Every Wednesday, we conduct a technical event, and you cannot see such a facility in any of the club in and around the world. I am really proud to be a part of this particular club, and thank you very much, sir. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sir, if possible, you just come to our college.
Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Yeah. We invite for a workshop in our college, sir.
Sure, ma'am.
Try to come to here.
Sure.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Shenba, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Give your feedback, pa.
The session was good. At least I left from the meeting.
Oh, okay.
There's no formal vote of thanks, ma'am.
Yeah, just now I told the vote of thanks, but because of that noise, nobody heard properly.
Okay.
Some noise was there
Shall we meet from the meeting?
continuously. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, this is Manoj. A very good evening, sir. There is a small query from my side.
Yeah, please, sir.
Actually, I'm doing my PhD research work in detection system, sir.
Sir, your voice is very low, sir. Hello.
Sir, I'm working on intrusion detection system.
Yes, sir.
Sir, how is the tool what you have just given
Yes.
is used in the parameters, sir, intrusion detection system. You also please tell me some information about Wireshark. Any idea about Wireshark, sir?
Sir, what, sir? Wireshark, sir?
Sir, your voice is not audible clearly, sir.
White shark, sir.
Sir, wire shark only you are telling, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, wire shark. Yeah, it is a purely penetration testing tool, sir. So if you go for IDS, the wire shark won't be helpful for you, sir. You can try with the Metasploit. So Metasploit tool, always, if you have a chance to work with the Nexus tool, Nexus. So it is also open source tool, sir. You can try with the Nexus tool. That will be good for IDBS.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Yes, Wireshark we can only capture the packets, sir. So it won't do much more things. We can take a report, but Wireshark is in terms of paper writing, it will be helpful, sir, because it gives a chart, it gives us some statistics report, those things it gives. But in terms of really IDBS concepts, it won't work. Sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Any other queries from participant side? Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, Ayyaparaja, sir, can you give your feedback here?
Fine, ma'am. Actually, I really appreciate to the Rotary group, ma'am. First of all, as you said earlier, every Wednesday they are conducting this kind of a wonderful technical sessions for the beneficial of all the students and faculty members. Is a very good thing, ma'am. And whoever is coming for the resource persons and whoever is organizing these events continuously for putting their effort for their busy schedule, also they are doing. Specifically, I want to thanks to Tulkapi sir and Vinod sir for calling me and confirm my appointment. And they do these things, not the favor of those people, and only the beneficial of a student and the who is attached to this club. So I really appreciate to those people, ma'am. As well as I really appreciate the effort which you are taking for coordinators like you, as well as that another ma'am, Sembakoli ma'am. So everyone. So you guys did well, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, yes, sir. We are part of the club also.
Okay, ma'am.
And really proud to be a part of this particular club, sir. You are always welcome to our club also, sir.
Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, shall we close this session?
Sure,
Shilpa, madam, shall we close this session, madam?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thanks again, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We'll leave, ma'am.
Shall I leave, ma'am?
Okay. Yeah,
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.